Hey there, it's Dean from sciaticareliefnow.net, and I have had the privilege of talking with Tammy, who is up in Ontario, Canada this morning, and she was involved in a car accident back in 2014, which resulted in a total hip replacement in 2015, which only caused more of her symptomatic pain. The hip replacement did nothing for her, and she has been in what she describes as pretty much a near constant 10 out of 10 pain in her right bum, and some leg issues along with that. And so I'm just going to turn it over to Tammy, because we've actually been on the call about 50 minutes now, gone through several exercises, had up and down results with things, but I just wanted to turn over to Tammy to let her tell you about her experience. So Tammy, over to you, and thanks for allowing me to use this for marketing, and thanks for taking me up on a free consult offer.
Thank you, Dean. I appreciate it. And again, my name's Tammy. I've been in severe pain for 4 years now from a car accident. I've done everything from pool therapy, massage therapy, physiotherapy, acupunctures, right down to spiritual healing. I've done everything possible. I've even went actually to Buffalo, New York to get help. Dean reached out to me on Facebook on a chronic pain page, I believe. Dean, you'll have to tell me where I actually got it from, because I truly don't even remember.
That's right. That's why when you said you've been on a couple of years, I'm going, what took you so long? I am not on that page much. I just happened to jump on that page. I heard a little bit about what was going on with you, and I just typed in a quick message to you, and we contacted there. So
yeah, because you reached out, and I thought, you know what, I've tried everything. What's it going to hurt to try? He says it's free. I've paid out of pocket thousands and thousands of dollars for help, and to date, I haven't had any relief. This morning, Dean did a video call with me at 11 a.m., so we're about an hour in, and I can't even, there's no words. Dean, this is the first time that I've had like some relief. It's not definitely by any stretch gone, but I look forward to working with you and hope that you've given me more tools in an hour than I've had in 4 years. So if I can use the tools that you've given me to release this constant sciatic, I can enjoy time with my family. I don't participate in activities. I'm home 70% of the day on ice or heat, because one doctor says ice, the other doctor says no ice, the other doctor says heat, the other doctor says no heat. So I'm always confused as to what to do or how to get relief. So Dean, I truly look forward to working with you. I'm truly blessed that you messaged me, reached out to me. I'm looking forward to actually getting a life again. I'm only 51. I should be able to go out and enjoy.
You're younger than me, so you deserve a life.
So I really appreciate it, Dean. Like, the exercises you gave to me today are like, wow, I'm going to incorporate them every day from here on in.
Awesome. Well, thank you, Tammy, and thank you for taking me up on this.
You're very welcome. I really appreciate it.